Hi friends, today we will be doing a dynamic releasing breath that I have been integrating into my classes. I do want to show you so that you can be able to do it at home and see how it works and what it's good for. So this is a releasing breath. You're going to inhale your arms raised overhead and then swing them down with the audible exhale. It most closely resembles releasing. It's used in trauma-informed movement or somatic practice. This is why it's one of my favorites. It's also used in yoga-informed breathwork to reset the nervous system and discharge excess energy. So here's how it works. You're going to inhale through the nose, raising your arms overhead to open up your chest. And then you're going to exhale through the mouth audibly and forcefully. You're going to swing your arms down by your sides. And sometimes you can pair it with bending your knees or a gentle bounce, whatever feels good to you. The exhale is the release. It helps you discharge tension, clear stuck energy, and reset your nervous system. So here is what it looks like. Inhaling through the nose, raising your arms up, exhaling through the mouth, letting it go, swinging the arms down by your side. As you can see, my knees are gently bent, but here I am, inhaling up, and then exhaling on the release. So why are we doing the release breath? This breath is super helpful in releasing frustration or stuck emotions. It helps to bring aliveness into the body. Sometimes if you're feeling stuck, you can feel the energy, the sensations through your body as you're doing this practice. And also, similar to what I just said, it helps you wake up your nervous system and the systems in your body, bringing energy to those systems that may be dull, that may be feeling tired, or even if you have a bit of fog. So I would love for you to join me in this release breath. We'll do a few of these on our own, and then you will sit in a silent meditation to feel the sensations in our body. I look forward to seeing how it makes you feel. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna get started with your feet firmly planted down to the ground. I want you to start here by inhaling in and just tuning into your breath and how you're feeling here. And exhaling, sighing it out. Maybe you're starting with shaking your shoulders or your wrist. Maybe it's some gentle circles side to side. And just allowing movement to arrive in your body here. Now, as you can see, I have glasses on, so I will take them off so I can be able to feel at ease without any distractions. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. And we'll get started here. And you can join me whenever it feels good to you. You don't have to follow me. You can go at your own pace and your own release. I'll be inhaling in, up to start, and exhale. A few more wherever you are. Letting your arms come down to your side. And allow yourself to feel the sensations in your body. Relaxing your shoulders, closing your eyes. Just tending to your breath, and maybe you're focusing on the pause after the exhales. Feeling that light and weightlessness. Three breaths together to end this practice. Deep breath in. And exhale, exhale out through the mouth. Inhaling in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Last one, best one, deep breath in. And exhale. Maybe you are bringing attention back into your body by wiggling your wrist or your shoulders, maybe your neck. Maybe side to side. Grabbing my glasses once more. I hope that practice felt releasing and felt good for you. Feel free to come back to this practice at any point when you need to let go of any tension or stress. Don't feel like you have to contain anything. This is your practice. You're on your own. Allow yourself to release. You deserve to feel ease within your body. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for joining my releasing breath. I hope that you feel well and that it helps you just release the stress and the tension that may be within your body. We want to make sure that we stay fluid and that we stay free within ourselves. That's how we can tap deeper into our creative power and design a life that we love. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this video if you would like more, or if you need a little bit more direction. Either way, this is a practice that is for you and your brilliant body. So lean in and come back as many times as you need. I'll be here waiting for you. See you in the next time.